Why do pelicans often try to swallow people they meet? The pelican is a straightforward bird. If he decided that you fit in his pouch under the nibble, he will try to eat you. And if you don't fit, he'll at least try you on. That's the way he's wired. Anything that moves automatically triggers the grab reflex, sometimes erroneously. Generally, they eat fish, but hunger dictates other rules. Switching to exotics is an emergency measure, so if there isn't enough fish, the pelican may feed on a small bird or something more succulent. Fortunately, for those caught from pelicans, there is an intermediate moment before the final swallowing. They sort of stand the prey in a pouch. Usually draining the water if it's a fish, or trying to determine if what they've grabbed is edible. In addition to hunting, pelicans engage in piracy. They pounce on other birds and take fish from them. Under pressure from a gang of pro-whiz hoods, the poor birds are forced to give up their entire catch. Yes, the pelicans have a rough character, but it is this brutality that helps them survive in a difficult world.